Hey guys, Elizabeth here. As you know me, Lovely Lemon. And these are some 3D glasses. I'm probably going some 3D glasses.
No.
I'm probably gonna deco den. They're little kids ones. They're
Dude,
for little
you
kids.
delete that video.
So it's like, hey, get it, Ginge. Get Ginge. Oh, Raisin. They tore up the box of raisins, and there's hair all up in it now. All up in it, all up in it, all up in it. Yay, 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 yay. Hey.
Hi, Weezy boy.
We got her some toys and stuff. Yeah. Giz, Ginge, Tootsie. Yeah. I just wanted to show you all the box of raisins. Look how hairy it is.
Tootsie! She's wearing a pink collar. Look how cute she is.
Look. We put little clips in her hair and little bows. And we got her a pink collar.
You idiot. Go get it.
Go get it. Get a toy.
What? Throw me one. Throw me one.
Get it, Ginger. Good girl. Get it. Get it.
Tootsie.
Get it. You want it. You want it. You want it. You want to get it. You want to get it. Go get it. Good girl. Come here.
Steal it from her.
Good girl. You want it. You want it.
She's like, I bought all these toys for her, basically.
You want it. You want it. You want it.
What's up
Go
with
get it.
that?
Good girl. Come here. Ooh, look at those. We got them a bunch of hair ties so we can put in our hair. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, so bye.